The Localite is an app for people who want to shop and access services from local businesses around them. The purpose of the app is to make shopping from local businesses more convenient and accessible. On the homepage, you have three options to shop: the search bar, the store's carousel, and the categories. The store's carousel has the store cards, which open the store page and list all of the products that the store has to offer. You can either add the products to cart or navigate to the product page to look for a better deal in another store. In the search bar, you can search using words that either sound like the product names, like good day instead of good day, or using words that are the part of the name, like the first few letters of a product. The categories filter the products and let you navigate to the product page where you can choose which store you want to buy the product from.